Right, let's get this show on the road. Yes, I think we're live. Hello and welcome to my stream once again. Bear with me a moment. I think, yeah, we are live. Yes. So welcome. I'm Michael Coates and I am the founder and creator of the sewingguru.com, which is a learning website to teach you how to do sewing and tailoring. Now, besides that, we've got lots and lots of other things as well, like machine embroidery, crafting, and everything else. But the main subject that I want to talk to you about today is how you can make money in sewing and tailoring. First of all, though, if you like watching my streams, please like us, please share us, and also as well, click on the receive all live notifications button just here. And then Facebook will basically alert you whenever we go live and you'll be able to watch us live. So do that. But yeah, I'm going to talk about how you can make money in sewing. Now, first of all, what you need to do is join the Sewing Guru to be able to do this, because obviously you need to be able to learn how to do sewing and crafting and machine embroidery and all that kind of thing. And then once you've done that, you will then be able to learn and then start making money in sewing. And believe me, sewing is a very, very lucrative thing to know, because there's so many different variants that you can do to do with making money. So we have, before we get started, I have a brilliant offer on at the moment. What I'm going to do is just go to where the offer is. If you can see that, there it is there. There's the offer. Now, we got a link within the video here, and it will take you straight to this offer, and it is a massive, massive reduction on the main price. It's $59.99 in dollars for 12 months access to the Sewing Guru, or if you want to go for 6 months, it's only $39.99. And it is a real massive reduction on the main price. So have a look at that offer. There is a link here in the description of the video. Have a look at that, and if you want to join, please join, because you will not be disappointed, believe me, you will not. Now, for instance, if you want to make money, the first way that you can do it is to do alterations for people. Now, I used to do this back in the day, and it really is very lucrative. So we've got a massive alteration section on the Sewing Guru, and you know, once you are familiar with altering clothing, you can then start altering for people. Now, we're in this COVID-19, as you know, and it's an absolute nightmare, really, isn't it? I mean, let's face it, we just cannot get back to our ordinary lives. Now, what a great way to spend your time to learn sewing and alterations and all of that thing from the Sewing Guru, from me, learn how to do it, and then when we're all back to normal again, you can then start making money by teaching people how to do, I'm teaching you how you can do alterations for people, so you can start altering clothes, because let's face it, we all need clothes, and there is also a lot of clothes in the shops, and whenever you see something that you want to be altered, you know, there's always something that you want changing. Now, if you can offer this service for people, it's a great thing. Now, we've got a massive section on the Sewing Guru, all to do with alterations. So if you learn all of that, and there's literally every single alteration that you can just about think of on there, all of the alterations that you would need to be able to do this and set up a business and start doing this, it's all there on the Sewing Guru. Now, the other thing that we've got, I've made some notes here as well, is make clothing to order. Now, that's tailoring. So, for instance, if somebody saw a jacket that they liked on TV, you could then make this for them. Or if they like a certain style of trouser or whatever, you could then make this to order for them. Or you could just do the bespoke tailoring for people. That's another offshoot that I used to do. I used to have shops which I offered a service, and I was a bespoke tailor, and I still am. And I would make full suits for people, trousers, jackets, whatever you wanted, ladies' clothing, and I would make that for them. And again, it's a massive lucrative thing. And it really, really does help. it makes you can make a lot of money from it. Believe me, you can. And so again, we've got a massive tailoring section on the site, and I show you how to make garments step by step, all different garments, everything that you could possibly want, we've got there. So you can make money doing tailoring, making clothes for people, clothing to order. Now also we have a massive crafting section as well. So you could then start making cushions, or you just sort of crafting projects, or wine bottle covers, or anything like that. There is a massive crafting section on the website as well. So why not doing that? Or what about machine embroidery? You could do machine embroidery. We've got a big section to do with machine embroidery. We've got a full-on course of machine embroidery on the website, and you could then start embroidering people, you know, putting logos on t-shirts or anything like that, and you can make money from that. It's there. And also we have a doggy coats section as well for pet dogs. Why not make dog coats to order for people? Because we all love dogs. And there's a lot of people that have them as pets, and what a great thing to have and start creating and making to order for people. Now, where you think, you might say to yourself, well, you know, where do I sell this? What you could do is you could then sell it on the Facebook groups, the selling groups. Facebook Marketplace is a great place where you can start selling things on there. So there is lots and lots of different areas where you can make money. And believe me, I started well before the internet and before Facebook. But I started doing alterations for people. I learnt how you would learn, sit on the website. So you would buy a membership, you would join the Sewing Guru, you would learn how to make it all, because the way that I show you is really simple, and it's in a step-by-step format, all video based. So I show you how to do all the things that you need to do, creating garments, how to make dog coats, alterations, machine embroidery, crafting, and it's all there on the Sewing Guru. And this membership offers the access for the whole lot. It's not just part access to the site, no, it's the entire website with nothing left out. You are not restricted. It is full unrestricted access to the Sewing Guru. So it really is well worth it as well. Now also as well, I'm just going to show you this. Now as you can see here, this is the offer here, and it's $59.99 in dollars for the year, or $39.99 for 6 months. This is the offer. Now you've got to be quick because these offers change all the time, and it may not be on for that long. So get in there quick and get this as a membership for yourself. This membership stays at $59.99. It stays at that price because these are recurring memberships. So $59.99 for 12 months, and then it recurs again for another 12 months, and then another 12 months, and another 12 months, unless you want to cancel. But the beauty of it is it doesn't go from $59.99 and then the next year to the full price. It doesn't. It stays at this price, and the 6 month does as well. So it is a great offer. Get yourself in there and don't miss out, because it is a brilliant offer. I'll tell you something, if there was something like the Sewing Guru when I was learning to sew, it would be amazing for me, because I would have learned that much quicker. It's taken me decades to learn sewing and tailoring, so I'm passing over all of my knowledge of sewing and tailoring and crafting over to you in the best possible and easiest way for you to understand. And I'll tell you something, I'm very proud of the format that I've created, and it really works. It does. It really works. And it really is the easiest way to learn sewing and tailoring, crafting, whatever you want to learn. It really is, and it's all there on the website. It's a massive website, and it's one of those sites where you can just dip into, dip out of. If you want to know or brush up on a certain bit, it's there, and it's just a great resource for sewing and tailoring and crafting and everything. It really is. It's fantastic. So I would take advantage of this offer, because it isn't a lot of money, and you're on there for a full 12 months. And if you want to carry on, it stays at that price. So it's an absolute steal, to be fair. It really is. The amount of knowledge that you're going to be getting and content that you receive. We have mini patterns on there, and we have ebooks on there. There's everything there, that you need. And not only that, you get 24/7 customer service. So if there is a question that you've got that you can't quite find on the site or you're stuck with, you can email us and we will give you a real detailed explanation and get you on the right track. We will. So that is also included with the full membership as well. So like I say, it is a great time now because of this COVID-19. A lot of us at home and we're thinking, well, what can we do? A lot of us may be thinking, well, will I be going back to work? I don't know. I'm very nervous about it. And it's a horrible time. It's terrible. But, if you've got the backup where you think, you know what, I think I'm going to start doing that. What better time to start learning to sew? Spend time learning to sew, and then when we come out of this virus and the COVID-19, and then you can freely go around and associate with people again and talk to people without masks and all that, and go into people's houses and they come and see you, whatever, then you will be ready to do that because you will have had time to learn and you'll be ready to go out and do that. And not only that, you'll be making money. And it is a great career. Sewing is one of those things which is so enjoyable to do. I mean, I've been hooked on this for like 3 decades and I'm still hooked and I still love it today. And it doesn't go. It really doesn't. It's just a fabulous hobby to have, and it's a great thing to turn into a business. And then not only that, the beauty of it is that you're actually doing something that you're enjoying. You're doing something that you enjoy to do. I have the best job in the world because I enjoy what I do and I love it. And it's great. You feel relaxed all the time and it's wonderful. It really is. So it is a great thing. Sewing is a great thing. And look at that. Why not make money from it? Do that. It's a wonderful thing. So I just thought I'm going to come on here onto the stream live again. I do enjoy doing this. And please like and share us and tell other people about us because it really helps people and it enhances their lives. It does. It really does. Sewing enhances their lives. And it's a great hobby. So like I say, if you want to make money from sewing, and believe me, I tell you now, because it happened to me, you can make a lot of money and set yourself up for later on in life. And it really does work because there's people that always want either embroidery doing, or they want alterations doing, or better still, they might think of a suit that they want for a wedding or whatever that they just can't find or buy anywhere. You could then make it. You could offer your services and say, look, I will make the suit for you exactly as you want it, and then you could charge quite a decent amount for it, and it's really worth it. Just think, you might even get invited to the customer's wedding as well. That's happened to me a few times. It's really great. It's a brilliant thing. So I just thought I'd come on here and talk about how you can make money to do with sewing and tailoring and crafting, and it really does work. So give it a shot. Just go for it. And like I said, we've got this amazing offer on at the moment. Take advantage of this offer because you will not be disappointed at all. And the amount of content in the Sewing Guru it's incredible. There is that much there. It's massive. I've got people that are on the site and they've been on the site for years on end because they want to know everything, and it takes that long to learn everything. And it's so diverse that it's a great resource. Okay, and it doesn't take years and years and years to learn how to do alterations, don't get me wrong, but to learn every single aspect of sewing and tailoring and crafting and machine embroidery, yeah, that would take quite a while. But you've got the chance to be able to do this, and it's there for a really good price. So take advantage of this offer And as well, just take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I will see you again in the next stream. So thank you very much for watching. I love everybody, love you all for watching, and take care. Bye for now. Bye.